Cleaning your engine bay the wrong way can lead to serious damage, even a potential fire. In this Hyundai Starex, water got into the fan motor, leading to burnt wires and a dangerous short. Improper washing doesn't just damage parts, it can risk fire if the wrong areas get soaked. Always make sure the person cleaning your engine knows exactly what they're doing. If you're planning to do it yourself, take time to research what needs to be covered and how to clean safely. If you want a safer, waterless way to clean your engine bay, we have the perfect video for you.